Hi, it's Sherri from Quilting Life, and I'm here today with my October block of the month. I can't believe it's October, first of all, and I can't believe that we're almost done with this quilt along. But I have this month's block done in the 12-inch and 6-inch size, and I just want to share a couple things about them with you. And then stay tuned till the end because I'll give you some information about what we're going to be looking at in November and December, and also I have kind of a little preview about what's going on with my 2021 block of the month. So let's get started. Okay, this month's block is called the Combination Star, and it really is a favorite design of mine. I love Ohio stars, and this one has the little twist that it has the 4 squareness squares in each of the 4 corners. So it's a really fun block to make. I used my mini simple folded corners to make these squareness square units, and you cut the pieces exactly as directed on the pattern, and then just use the ruler for that, and it just makes it go really quickly. I did the same technique for this. And then for the 4 quarter square triangle units in the block, I actually have the measurements in the PDF sized up so that you are trimming the block down to the correct size right at the end. So it really makes your block very accurate by following that method. And in fact, I have another video you can watch where I show step by step how to make these quarter square triangle units. So if you haven't made those before, don't be afraid of them. They actually go together really well. And my method also uses squares. You're not cutting them into triangles right away, so you don't have to worry about that bias. But this is a really fun block. I love how they turned out. I kind of did 2 different things with my larger block and my smaller block, 2 different colorways, but I love them both, and I hope you enjoy making it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little, quick look at this month's blocks with some of the tips and tricks that will help you make it to perfection. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, I just want to give you a little update about how the rest of the year is going to play out. Next month, I will share the November and the December blocks on the same day so that you can get both of those done. And then during the first week of December, I will share the finishing instructions. And I do have finishing instructions for all 3 sizes of blocks, the 6-inch, the 12-inch, and the 18-inch blocks. So regardless of which size, I have that information for you in December. And I also have the fabric requirements for those now. So I'll be sure to put that in the blog post for this month's block, so you have that. And then just an update, yes, I am going to do a free block of the month for 2021. I already have it designed. I'm going to start working on it in just a couple weeks after I finish a big project I have, but I'm going to get the entire quilt made, and I will have, it's a sampler quilt, and it's really, really cute. I'm making mine with my Happy Days fabric collection, and I love how it turned out, and I think you'll love it too. So we will have that starting the first week of January 2021. Thanks so much for quilting along with the block of the month, and thanks for stopping by.